Welcome back, folks. I hope all of you are doing well. ChatGPT. We all have heard about it, some of us have used it. Today, I'm going to share with you a very easy way to learn Excel from ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is basically a transformation in the way we interact with the artificial intelligence and all the machine learnings that were fed in this particular learning mechanism. It's built on Python language and it helps you to converse, naturally to speak, just like you talk with your colleagues, with your friends. It talks with you and you can ask naturally some questions, and very effectively and quickly it will give you the answers. As you can use it in your day-to-day life, today I'm going to share with you how you can use it into your everyday life for Excel. So, very simple. First of all, open your browser. It can be Safari, it can be Chroma, it can be any application that browses for you in your computer. And then with that, you have to just type chat.openai.com as it is mentioned here, chat.openai.com, and you will reach on this interactive model. Now, when you are on this model, you can use this particular field, message ChatGPT, where you type to ChatGPT. I'm going to type a message that I want to ask. For example, share with me top 10 Excel shortcuts. So it is going to give me 10 shortcuts which are generally frequently used and asked by the people. So it asks me Control C, Control V, and it also giving a little description of what exactly this shortcut will do for me. Now, this is very easy and handy to understand like this, but also I can ask, for example, what is shortcut key in Excel to copy a table? Simply, I wrote it down and then it is giving me a full set of instructions. Or I'm supposed to click, I'm supposed to go on the corners of the table, and then how I'm going to use a shortcut key, which is bold here, Control plus V. That makes sense, no? It does. So it looks very easy and handy. Also, how can I then paste that data? So, but it automatically learned that I have copied something and then I have to paste something. So more and more when I'm writing down there, it is actually learning as well, through machine learning, and it gives me messages and responses in line with my needs. So it's very interesting. So for example, where can I find, or I should ask, top 10 Excel tutorial channels. So ask for Excel tutorial channels and it's giving me a list of certain Excel tutorial channels. I can simply go and find them. Unfortunately, my channel is not popular enough to be in these top 10, but you can see there are top 10 channels over there. So anything you can ask here about Excel and it will give you that information. So for example, how can I customize the ribbon in Excel? So it's a very simple question and it will give me all the steps you can see sequentially that I need to take to very simply put one particular ribbon on my computer. So it's very simple. What is the definition of a cell in Excel? So you remember we spoke about this in one of our channels videos, and now it will give you a very fundamental description and also some of characteristics in that particular domain. So not even just the definition of what a cell is, but also giving more details about how it is being used and what's the range, what's the manipulation, how the data entry is done. This is the next level. So you can learn anything about your Excel here. So for example, what is the syntax of average function in Excel? So I've asked for the syntax for average and it has given me an example as well. It cannot be more easy than this. So what I recommend is go down in ChatGPT, try to play with it and learn. Basically, the important thing is that learn from whatever you get here. This is a very good platform. Utilize it, enjoy it, guys, and learn more and more next steps. So do share your feedback in your comment section down there, and don't forget to like and share this video with your colleagues, with your friends, with your family, and I look forward to see you again. Subscribe. Okay, a lot of you are watching these videos are not subscribing, so please subscribe so that you can get immediate notifications on my channel. Till the time we speak again, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye bye.